In this video, we will go over the synonyms panel of the search relevancy control plane in the app-based dashboard. Before we go and add any synonyms, I would like to test an example. So we'll search for T, and when we search for T, we see some results. In fact, we see that the top 4 results are perfect matches, and after that there are some partial matches. So T can also be searched sometimes as chai, and we see that in this case no results are returned because the word chai does not exist in the index. And so we can add a synonym here for chai and tea, and this is an equivalent synonym. Another way to add a synonym is one way, which is to say whenever A is searched, it should imply B, but when B is searched, it should not imply A. So we'll go and test the search relevancy over here, and now after setting the synonym of chai to tea, if we search for chai, we can see that it gives us 4 results. It doesn't match the highlighting because the highlighting is based on the exact match of the text, but it gives us those exact 4 matches where T was present earlier and now chai is. So in a nutshell, this is how synonyms work. Synonyms also need to be enabled. For them to work, they also need to be enabled from the search settings panel. So if the synonyms were disabled from here, then this works because we didn't review and save it. So let's go and do that. Now that we reviewed and saved it, we can see that the word chai does not return any results. And the reason is whenever you enable synonym, AppBase is adding the name.synonyms field to be searchable. Sorry. We are setting the enable synonyms prop, and I can go here and set it to true, and once I do that, I should get back the 4 results. And this is kind of the raw view, so we can see that there are results coming back. Because our page size is really 2, we get only 2 back in one page, but you can see the total value is 4. I can go to the results pane here, which shows a pretty format, and we can see that there are indeed 4 results coming. So enable synonyms is the prop that can be set to true and false based on the control plane value here. So it's also important if you're using synonyms to make sure that enable synonyms is set to true.